Hi everyone, right now we are at Blockspace Asia. I'm Park and this is Aaron from Tradeye. So they are a arbitrage platform and today we're just going to get him to share quickly about his platform and what value can he bring to you guys as an audience. So Aaron, take it away.
Definitely, very happy to. We are here with Tradeye, okay? So Tradeye is one company that we do and it runs the education part of the business. The other business, the main business that we do is actually called Trade Vault. Okay, so what Trade Vault does is that we manage investors' money, right? And we teach the students in Tradeye how a professional hedge fund that does arbitrage does it. Okay, so you're not only learning how a professional firm does it, but you're learning from the only firm in Singapore that actually does what they do and teaches what they say. Okay?
Right. So I've been hearing from here as well that they teach a lot of the individuals who are interested to learn investing and of course crypto trading, arbitraging, and they've been making 5% roughly a month in this current market.
Yes.
And how do you guys do it?
Okay, so arbitrage, right, is known as a simultaneous buying and selling of the same asset, but your profit is for the difference in price. So as you know, there's a lot of different exchanges around the world. Everybody has a different quote and ask, right? So therefore, your job as a arbitrage trader is to find the difference in the price, find the lowest exchange, the cheapest one you buy from there, and then you sell it at the most expensive one. Obviously, that sounds really simple, but there's no way a person can go through like 360 exchanges to go and find what's the highest price and lowest price. But that being said, that is the way that 99.5% of retail traders around the world that do arbitrage. For us, where we manage millions of dollars, there's no way we can do that because of liquidity issues, and that's why we have a proprietary trading technique that we're going to teach you guys in class, right?
And if someone wants to sign up for a class, how can they sign up and how often do you guys do it?
Okay, actually, that was a good question. We now used to run it about once a month, but because our trading volume in Trade Vault has increased so much, most of our traders will now have to be pushed over to Trade Vault. And in May, we are going to run the last class so far because first when we run a live trading class for the students, we have to send a trader from Trade Desk to there to teach them.
Okay.
You see, so it's going to be the last class in May. If you want to find out more, just go to tradevault.com. Right, drop us a text and email and you see we can slot you in. If not, maybe in the future, if we do run a class, we'll let you guys know. Because 5%, everybody loves it.
And it's, of course everyone loves 5%, but that's 60% a year. So great, right, in the current crypto market. But of course, there are people who are saying they have some cash in their pockets as well. Are you guys open to retail investors for this Trade Vault itself?
Okay, so in terms of the fund management, it's actually managed by Crowe Harworth, which is the 7th largest auditing firm in the world. That bond quantum investment size minimum is 200,000 Sing. Okay, but when you become a student, right, we have something else that you guys can go in for as little as 1 Bitcoin.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is only open to students. Right, so yeah.
The class is happening in May, right?
Yes, the class is happening in May.
Okay, so if you guys are keen, please go for the class as well. And Aaron, do you have anything else for them that you'd like to mention? So the audience, primarily, there are people who are interested in blockchain. They have their own SMEs because Blockspace Asia, we reach out to SMEs and people who are trying to learn blockchain per se. So anything that you would like to reach out to them? Okay,
in terms of blockchain, we are not really good. That's why we partnered with Singapore Bitcoin Club. If you guys want to know more about blockchain, Singapore Bitcoin Club is our partner. You can look for them that way for businesses that are looking to revolutionize their business with blockchain. I think there was a survey done just now. I saw about 100 companies in the US were surveyed, and 65% or 63% of them were saying they were willing to spend more than $1 million each to in the blockchain technology for their company. Right, so we don't touch that. Singapore Bitcoin Club is the one to go to. But in terms of businesses who have spare funds, right, that you think you guys want a good ROI on that, for us, we give our investors 18% a year, right? I mean, obviously we take a little bit more because we're doing most of the work, but 18%, not too bad.
Yeah, right. And of course, it's $200,000 per entry, but it's okay, 18% better than normal. Okay, so that's Aaron from Tradeye, and thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Mark. Cheers.
Cheers, man.